A comprehensive pediatric eye and vision examination provides means to evaluate structure, function, health of the eyes, and visual system. Although comprehensive pediatric eye and vision examination are essential for timely diagnosis and treatment of the eye diseases, many children don't receive a comprehensive care. Factors that may limit access to comprehensive services include reliance on false negative results of a school vision screening, absence of signs, symptoms, or family history of vision problems, and one of the most important factor is lack of access to tertiary eye care services, especially in remote areas of the country. This video highlights the comprehensive pediatric eye care services provided by our tertiary care center, which covers more than 5 tribal districts in Gujarat. Following are the goals of comprehensive pediatric eye care. Goal number 1 is evaluating functional status of the eye. Since capabilities and needs of child varies with age, the components of functional testing of eye have been divided into 3 major groups according to the age. After review of nature and history of presentation of the problem, patient and family history including visual, ocular, general health and developmental school performance history of the child, testing of visual acuity is done according to age categories. Binocular vision testing includes cover test, stereopsis, near point of convergence, and ocular motility testing. In specific conditions like squint, ptosis, a complete workup is performed. Infants from 0 to 3 months are tested by blink reflex or pupillary reflex. Toddlers from 3 to 6 months are tested by seeing response to occlusion. From 6 months to 1 year, preferential looking test is performed. One to 3 years, Cardiff test and beak candy tests are performed. From 3 to 5 years, a broken wheel test or HOTV is used. Refraction. Objective methods of refraction may need to be relied on in age groups less than 5 years. The information is used to determine amount of optical correction needed. Cycloplegic refraction is performed after instilling cycloplegic agents titrated according to age groups. For 0 to 6 months, 1% home atropine for 3 days. 6 months to 1 year, cyclopentolate 0.5%. 1 year to 3 years, atropine eye ointment for 3 days. 3 years to 5 years, cyclopentolate 1%, and more than 5 years, tropicamide 1%. Goal number 2, evaluating ocular health, which includes evaluating pupillary response, anterior segment examination under slit lamp, posterior segment examination, in selected cases under general anesthesia, measurement of intraocular pressure, and electrodiagnostic testings like B-scan, OCT, and fundus photograph for documentation. Goal number 3 includes diagnosis and management. After completion of examination, data is evaluated to reach diagnosis and managed medically or surgically. A prescription of refraction, if needed, is provided. Patients required to be managed surgically are taken up for surgery under general anesthesia. Counseling. It is important for children, caregivers, and parents to understand medical recommendations. To enhance understanding, information is given using their own words, eye models, and diagrams. Conclusion: the prevalence of eye and vision disorders is substantial in children. Early detection and intervention are important in children for rapid development of visual system in early childhood. When visual disorders like amblyopia, strabismus, refractive errors are undetected, long-term consequences can lead to reduced quality of life. Hence, comprehensive eye care is imperative for a better future.